This is the new plug and play Hitch receiver instant reverse light kit by Specialty Performance Parts. You can get this on SPV Parts or specialtyperformanceparts.com. This kit comes with one rigid floodlight and a hitch receiver black bracket. Simply slides into your hitch receiver in any vehicle. You put your pin in. Your wire harness here has a plug that plugs directly into your hitch wiring, and there is no wiring, cutting, or splicing or connections needed to be made. You simply plug it in. When you put your truck in reverse, you get a backup light. All right, here we are in reverse, as you can see, and our backup light is on, just like that. So if you want a little extra light when you're backing up, you don't want to make any connections, you can purchase this instant hitch receiver backup light. Whenever you're ready to put your trailer in, you simply pull the pin, pull out your light, plug it, and that's it.